Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hi, guys. Welcome to the first orientation class of the 10x Marketer, 60 days, 90 days live classes. How many people have already joined? Just enter your city so that I know you're here. Just enter your city in the chat box wherever you're listening from. We are already starting. Can you hear me? Ecom blogger, can you confirm if you are able to hear my voice? Just keep typing your city so that I know where you are joining from. I'll quickly walk you through what we will cover in the next 90 days. This first day is more for the orientation purpose. I just want to set some ground rules so that we are on the same page from that point of view. Uh, just confirm if you're able to see my screen. Do you see something on my screen? Just confirm. So we have people from Kolhapur, Jaipur, Bhopal, Pune, Madurai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Sirsa, Punjab, Jalandhar, Kolhapur, Kolkata. So this is a pan-India audience. So glad to connect with you guys, and thank you so much for joining. For chat, you have to subscribe to the channel. So whosoever is saying they cannot chat, first subscribe to the channel. This is only for subscribers to control spam. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, then only you will see the chat option enabled. I'm getting chat from a lot of people, but those who are saying they are not able to subscribe, not able to chat, please first subscribe to the channel. We want to control the spam to minimum. That is the reason we have restricted it only for the subscribers. All right, so let me get started now. So the duration of this course will be approximately 90 days. And this is what we will cover. In the week one, just confirm when you're able to see this AI marketing champion sheet on my screen. Just confirm if you're able to see the AI growth marketing sheet, the agenda sheet that we have for this webinar, this class, so that we can get started. Can you see the seat? Just say yes or no. I'll just zoom in so that it is clear to you. That's not a problem. Awesome. Okay. So let me clarify what this seat means. So the course duration is approximately 90 days. We are starting today. This is the first class, which is more like an orientation class. I'm walking you through the agenda, and the class is divided into 4 to 5 different parts. Okay. So in the week one, we will create something called Creative Marketer course together. In that, I'll walk you through some AI tools that you can use to do creatives for your social media content and also for your ads. So we will cover Canva basics, then we'll go to other tools like Chat GPT, maybe Sora. Then there's Amazon AI tool also that we will cover, Meta AI, how you can use Meta AI to build your brand creatives. These are some of the tools, AI tools that we will cover into the Creative Marketers program. That class will run for 1 week. So today is the orientation class. We will start from tomorrow, which is 15th. We'll do the basics of Canva. Then we'll do the social media content creation, how you can use Canva for social media and what are the other AI tools that you can use to build your social media. Then we'll do something called brand identity and consistency. Not many people teach you brand identity and consistency. This is very, very important. Then we'll also discuss the video creation. Screen is not clear. Maybe you are not watching it in HD, guys. Then only the screen will be much more clearer. So if you are not able to see it clearly, maybe switch to HD, because that can restrict your viewership. Because we are live, it might be consuming a lot of data. I just zoomed in. Can you see it now? Okay, so first week we will cover the Creative Marketers program. We will start with Canva basics, then we'll go through some AI tools. Then we'll work on building the brand consistency and identity. Finally, we'll go through video creations using Canva. And on 21st, this Creative Marketer program will be over. We will do ad creatives and videos on the 21st of July. So this is your first program in this digital marketing course. After that, we'll start with market research. We'll learn how to do market research using AI tools. We will also understand the copywriting frameworks, how to do a great copy for your ads, for your landing pages. And I'll also walk you through some copywriting frameworks that we use on in our agency. Finally, in the week three, we will start the Meta Ads program. So for Meta Ads, we will cover funnel building, which is the most important part while running the ad. We'll talk about how to create the Meta Ad strategy for any brand, for your own business or for your client using AI. Then we'll also cover the creatives. What are the different kind of creatives you should be creating for running Meta Ads? So we'll go into details in the creative process, and what kind of meta ad structure you should have to get maximum results or best results for your from your campaign. And then finally, conversion tracking. So our meta ad course will be complete by the 1st of August. Just confirm if you're able to see my screen clearly. If everything is visible to you, just say yes in the chat box. Okay. Then in the week three, we will go through Google Ads mastery. That will be the first week of August. We will learn how to run Google Ads. We will do performance tracking and reporting for Meta. This is the Meta ad part. Then paid marketing strategy for Google Ads, Google Search, PMAX, and shopping campaign. So if you see here, there's something explained here. So on 8th, we might have a break. So it's basically I might have to go for the Rakhi festival. And in that case, if I have a break on 8th, I might do a 2 hour class on 7th so that your course is covered. so that you don't miss anything on the Google Ads part. Our Google Ads journey will be over by 8th of August. Then we'll start with the SEO Mastery Program. That is the week starting from 11th of August. Here we will cover the basic fundamentals of SEO. We'll also talk about the generative AI engine optimization, how to rank in ChatGPT and other tools. We'll also cover on-page and off-page SEO. We'll do keyword research, how to use AI to do keyword research. Finally, also we'll talk about optimizing for AI search engines, which includes everything: AI overview, Google AI overview, and Perplexity search, ChatGPT search, or Meta AI, or any other AI tool like Claude. Okay. Here also you see something is mentioned. So if I take Independence Day off, then I might have a 2 hours class on 14th. I'll let you know in advance. Maybe on 13th we'll decide whether we want to take a holiday. All right. Then we will discuss something related to a SEO only. That is EEAT, customer persona, digital PR, AI powered backlink strategy. Then we'll also do AI agents for what kind of use cases you can have for building SEO agents on AI. That's what SEO mastery will cover. This will run for 2 weeks. Then finally, we'll understand how to build custom AI agents. That will be like introduction to what kind of AI agents you can build. I'll also show you how to build AI agents using make.com and N. I might choose any of two or maybe give you a demo of both. Classes will be mostly in English, but we will try to cover some part in Hindi also. But I'm not promising a Hindi class here. So if you have a problem, I can also give you some solution to use English, how to translate this or use it a video to learn in Hindi. But that's not the agenda here. We are learning digital marketing. And when it comes to digital marketing services, you definitely need to learn English. Otherwise, you won't be able to deliver what you're promising to your client, because English is the primary language when you're targeting. So, overall, this is the agenda. Let me repeat again for those who joined later. In the first week, we'll do a creative marketer program. In the second week, we'll focus on market research and copywriting. In the week three, we'll focus on meta ads. Then we take through Google Ad, SEO, and how to build custom agents for your marketing purpose. This is what we will cover, and our course will most likely finish on 9th of August. We'll keep 2 3 days as buffer in case we miss anything or we need more time to cover any concept. So the last week will be more like a buffer for us. Okay. Now there are people who have questions about getting certificate. In that, I have to explain you something. Let me know if you are able to see a different screen. So for those of you who want a certification from this program, you will have to join the community here. I'll send you the link on group WhatsApp group also. So if you're not part of the WhatsApp group, I would suggest you join right now. And we will share the link of this community where your certification program will be available. So this link is also part of the YouTube channel where you are learning the course. This link is mentioned here also in this description. It is mentioned. You can see it here also. This link is mentioned for anyone who wants to join and get certification. This is the link where you need to register. So create your account in the membership community, and this is the course. So this kind of courses will be there. I'm just showing you the first course on AI creative marketer, which is the week first. So you'll have to complete all the lesson and the assessment, and you will be awarded a certificate like this. So this is the kind of certificate you will get for completion, but only after you complete all the lessons and the assessment for every chapter. Once you have done that, you will get this certificate. So make sure you create an account on this before leaving. This is the community where you need to create an account. Join this community. This is our community, and you will receive this certificate from 10x Marketer. This is definitely accepted. 10x Marketer is one of the known brand. You might see seen a lot of our podcasts, but not necessarily like everybody will accept. This is not a university certificate, but we do our own validation. We only award certificate to people who have completed the course. It does not. You cannot just print the certificate on your own. Okay, but make sure you do not spam the community, because if you do that, we might have to block you. So this is my humble request for all those who are seriously interested in learning. You should join the community. Everyone else who is not interested in learning much, just ignore. You don't have to join the community, and maybe don't waste your time. Do something that is important for you. So this is more for the orientation purpose. If you have any questions about the agenda, if you have any other questions, let me know. All the certification etc is available through this community only, and internship, live project, and all other discussions will happen here only. It will be part of this community. If you join today, you will see something like this, that the course will unlock in 2 days. Because the reason is, the moment we are recording the live class, like the one we are starting tomorrow, we will upload the lessons and the assessment here, so you will complete the class along with us. So the video will be available the moment a particular class has happened, and after that you will be able to complete it here. So this is the process we are following. If you need any support, you can drop an email. So this is our support email. Let me just type the support email in chat box so that you don't miss. This is our support email. In case you want to, in case you need any support, you can just drop an email. This video will be available on YouTube also. So if you don't need certificate, you can watch the complete video on YouTube. There is no need to create an account on the community. If you need certificate, if you need internship, if you need jobs after completing this course, then all the job related, internship related, live project related announcement and the certification will be awarded through this community only. Okay, earning money depends on you. I'm just teaching you the basic skills. I'm teaching you meta ads, I'm teaching you Google ads, I'm teaching you Canva, I'm also teaching you SEO, and then we are also doing some AI agents as well. So that is completely in your hands. If you feel you can use those skills to earn, definitely that can be your earning. But we are not promising any kind of earning right after the course. That is how you use your skill. It would depend on that. So any other questions, just type in the chat box. I'll be more than happy to answer the questions right now. I'm waiting for your questions and queries, and then we'll end the orientation class. Yes, Karapam, the certificate you get is valid for the interview. You can take the certificate along with. And if in case your interviewer or recruiter wants to verify the certificate, if you got the certificate from here, you can verify it online. So your recruiter will be able to verify whether you completed the education through us or not. We'll give you a live link of your certificate. So it will definitely be valid for that reason. स्वाति ये क्लास हिंदी में नहीं है. We have audience from all over India, so this is going to continue in English only. In case and this is not paid course, we are not asking you to pay anything. You don't have to pay anything to anyone. The only thing I'm requesting you right now is just respect my time, because I'm spending almost 1 hour every day with you. So do not waste your time if you don't want to learn anything, but just make sure you are here and you're learning. Okay, if you don't want to learn, that's okay, you can drop it. There's no compulsion on you, but at least make sure that when you are here, you're focused, you're learning. Okay. Yes, Dipti, please share your suggestion, what you have to share. Go ahead, Dipti. So do make sure that you're learning when you're here. Otherwise, you don't have to waste your time. If you need the agenda, I can share this agenda in group also, so I will share it in WhatsApp group. Those who are not still not part of the WhatsApp group, the link of group is also mentioned as part of this description. So make sure you click on this link and join the WhatsApp group if you are not part of this group. Yes, recorded recording will be available on YouTube because it's a live session. It will also be available here in this membership community. It will be divided according to each class. So all the lessons that you're learning online will also be available here. If you miss a live class, you can come back and complete it here. That's not a problem. The creative part is also very, very important. We cannot miss the creative part. Uh, it will not be possible. But if you are want to learn meta ads, you can join from next week. If you don't want to learn the creative part, and that is also one thing I want to mention. If you want to complete only a specific part, let's say you don't want to learn Canva, that is okay. You can just skip this part because the course is divided into different categories. You can start from 28th. If you don't want to learn Canva, if you just want to learn Google Ad and Meta Ads, just start from 28th and stay with me till 8th of August. There is no compulsion for you to complete everything if you don't want to learn anything. Similarly, let's say you want to only learn SEO, you can join from 8th, 11th of August. You don't have to, 8th of August, you don't have to join today. That's completely all right. Okay. That's totally your call. Uh, yes, certificate you can use it for interview. Can we get notes? What kind of notes you are asking? Yes, practical. I'll give you assignment. You can see the assignment here, right? As part of this. So this will be practical. Most of the assessment that you see here will be practical only. WhatsApp link. Yeah, WhatsApp link. As I mentioned, it is part of this YouTube video. It is here in the description itself. Let me share in the group also. Let me share in the chat also. Those who have not joined the WhatsApp group, you can click on the link and join the community now. All the important updates related to the course will be shared in this community only. It's admin only message, so you'll only be able to share announcements. If you want to discuss among each other, if you want to have a discussion with other people who are part of the group, then my suggestion is that you join this community here, be part of the community here. Here you will be able to create your own channels also. Here I'll allow you to talk to other people in different channels. So similar to announcements, we can create different channels here, and those channels will have discussions related to you. So other people will be able to talk to you. So make sure you create an account here, and this certificate you've already seen, so I don't have to mention it again. Course agenda, any question about course agenda you have, I'll be more than happy to answer that. If you don't have any questions related to course agenda, then I think we are done. That's all for today. Sir, you don't have to pay for anything, and there is no Canva Pro as part of the course. Canva Pro, if you need, you have to buy it yourself. That is, if you need it, you can buy it. But most of the stuff that we are teaching for social media and other things, you can do it with Canva free account also. In case you need to do something advanced like brand identity and everything, if you want to professionally offer your services, then definitely Canva Pro is something that you should have. We start from basic, but yes, there will be some advanced concepts also, especially when we talk about meta ads, reporting, and everything structure. That would be slightly advanced. So if you don't have a background of digital marketing, you may find it slightly difficult to consume all the content, but that's completely all right. Swati, I have given you the link. Just click on the link to complete the registration. Vivek, what kind of question is that? You can start working tomorrow. Who is stopping you from work? It's a free course. Just learn and start applying. So that's it, guys. I'll share the link to join the community, and I've also clarified the agenda. In case you have any questions, you can drop an email. I've already given you the email ID. This is the email ID you have to use in case you want to, if you have any query. Running ad where? If you want to learn about running ads, then you don't have to spend for learning. If you just want to learn, you don't need to spend money for learning. But if you want to run an ad for your own or for your client, then definitely it's not free, right? You have to pay for it. Swati, just use this link to create an account on the community if you have not created the account yet, so that you can complete the course and get your certification. Okay. Yes, Manojita, whatever support we can provide, we'll definitely do that. And just learn the skill first. If you do not know how to deliver services, definitely nobody will be ready to work with you. But first learn how to deliver the services, then maybe you will be able to get the clients also, Swasini. Clients don't come first. You have to learn first and then reach out to somebody for clients. We'll maybe also cover one or two modules on how to get clients early. Then in the community that you are seeing here, maybe we will create some special groups where we can actively share uh, the information about upcoming people looking specific services, and that there you can get client. Just start approaching people from here. Anything else? I think we are good. Just create the account on community. If you need certificate, if you don't need certificate, then you can continue watching on YouTube. You don't have to create an account at all. There's no need, there's no gated content. The content is available freely on YouTube. But if you need certification, make sure you have an account. Okay. If you don't need certificate, no problem. You don't have to create an account on the community. That's all right. Second part, the agenda. I've already walked you through agenda. Those you have joined later, this is what we are going to cover. We'll start with creative marketing. That includes everything related to Canva, other AI tools to start learning. In the first week, we'll cover. In the second week, we'll talk about market research. Then we'll go to copywriting. Then we'll start with meta ads on week 3, which includes funnel building, meta ads, and other part of meta ads. Google Ads will start with week 4. Here we'll cover related everything related to Google Ads. Finally, we'll get into the SEO, which includes all the SEO related stuff, basic and advanced. Then we'll cover how to build custom agents. We'll identify what are the use cases for Google Ads, what are the use cases for Meta Ads, what are the use cases for creative marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, and how you can build agents for all those use cases. This is what we will learn in starting 25th of September. Our course will officially should end if everything goes fine on 9th, 8th of September. We should end. Uh, if at all we need some extra time, then I've kept a buffer of 4 days. So officially it should end by 8th. But in case we miss anything, we will spend 3-4 extra days to complete it. For those who need certificate, this is the kind of certificate you will get. But to get the certificate, you first have to complete the course. So once you create an account in the community, this kind of structure will be available to you. You'll have to click on start the course, complete all the lessons and the assessments. You'll definitely be eligible for the certification. But it does not come without completing the course. Okay. Swati, you can drop an email to the email ID I shared with you. In case you are not able to join, somebody from the team will be able to help you join the community. Okay. Anything else, guys? Just type in the chat, and if you don't have any questions, I'm closing it for today. Tomorrow we'll start with the first lesson, that is Canva basics. Make sure you create at least the free account on Canva so that you can practice alongside me while I'm teaching you how to create different stuff on Canva. Okay. Just make sure you go to canva.com, just sign up with a free account. Just open this website. I'm sure you know it. Just sign up on this so that when we start tomorrow, we don't miss anything. Don't start from zero. At least you have your account and everything in place. Okay, that's all. So thank you so much for joining me today. Any questions, just type in the chat. Why most people are saying they are not able to join? You need to sign up. I think you're trying to click on login. First, sign up. Either sign up, continue with Google, or sign up using the sign up option here. Let me share my screen again. Maybe I'll help you sign up for the program. You'll have to click on sign up first. Just sign up for the program so that you have your account. I think more than 40 people have already joined. So people are able to join. That's all right. You can, Rohan, you can create your own account with your own ID. And make sure you mention your first and second name properly, because that is what will reflect on the certificate. Later on, I don't want to get requests for changing the name in certificate. We don't want to waste our time in those kind of support issues. So make sure you register with your proper name, first name and last name, that you will also use on your certificate. So that is your responsibility. Do not make that mistake, please. We don't want to waste our time uh, resolving those kind of support issues. We want to focus more and more on learning. Okay. Any other question, guys? I'm closing the stream for today, and I'll see you in the class tomorrow. Anything else? If you need any support, you can always drop an email to 10xmarketerpodcast@gmail.com. I've already given you the email ID. This is the email address. Okay. All right then. Take care. Anything else? I'm just closing in 1 minute. Any questions anybody has? It is the time to post right now. I'm waiting for your questions. This will unlock in 2 days, Swati, because we don't have content yet, right? Our first class will happen tomorrow. On based on that, we will create the assessment, right? We are following the content along with the live classes. So this will unlock once you have, but you can use the other parts of the community. You can start. So I'll create a thread for introduction. Just make sure you introduce yourself. Just write an introduction, but don't spam. The moment you spam, I'll just make sure that you are not part of the community anymore. Okay. So do not try to spam at all. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to continue in the group. That's my humble request. I'm sure you are here for learning, so nobody is going to spam. But still, there will be rogue elements, and all the rogue elements will be discontinued from the community. Email ID is not a problem, Rohan. If you need a certificate, you have to mention your proper name. First name and last name should be clear, because that is what will reflect on the certificate, and we'll not be able to change the certificate on individual request. Okay. All the recording will be available on YouTube channel. It will also be available on the classes that you have just seen in the community. Okay. Anything else? I think that's all. Thank you so much and take care. Good night. See you all tomorrow. We'll start a rocking learning session from tomorrow onwards. Take care.